Tailoring language. Understanding tailored in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and widely used word in the English language, tailored. This word has various applications and nuances, and understanding it can really enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and tailor our learning to this interesting topic. The word tailored originates from the field of clothing and fashion. It means adjusting or fitting clothes to suit an individual's body shape. A tailored suit, for example, is one that has been specifically altered or made to fit a person perfectly. This literal meaning gives us our first insight into the broader applications of the word. In everyday English, tailored goes beyond the world of clothing. It is often used metaphorically to describe anything customized or adjusted to meet specific needs or requirements. For example, a tailored approach in business means an approach specifically designed to meet the unique needs of a business or client. In education, tailored learning refers to educational experiences designed to fit the individual learning styles or needs of students. Understanding this usage is key to appreciating the flexibility and utility of the word. To help you grasp the concept better, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The company offers tailored financial advice to its clients. 2. She had a tailored training regimen to improve her athletic performance. 3. Our travel agency specializes in creating tailored vacation plans. Notice how in each case, tailored implies something made to measure or personalized. Be cautious not to confuse tailored with general improvement or change. It specifically implies customization for an individual's needs or preferences. Saying something like, he tailored his car's color, would be incorrect, unless he customized the color to suit specific tastes or requirements. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to use tailored in different contexts. Some synonyms include customized, personalized, fitted, adapted. Each of these words carries a similar meaning but may be used in slightly different contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of tailored in English. Remember, it's not just about clothing. Tailored is a versatile word that can be applied in many situations to express customization and personalization. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to tailor your English skills to perfection.